Hello and welcome to this video. Today we are going to make celery juice, and we're going to make this celery juice using the blender. I have this blender. This is what I am currently gonna use to make the celery juice. I know most people, if you think about making juice, you have to use a juicer, but if you don't have a juicer, that doesn't mean you can't enjoy a glass of your favorite juice. You can make juice, any kind of juice, using this kind of blender. This is the kind of blender that I have. It looks like a Vitamix, very strong, though it's a bit small, so I may not be able to make a lot of juice out of it, but the amount that I'll make will be enough for now. Actually, juicing is a good way of taking up all the nutrients that your body needs, that you get from the fruits and the vegetables that you blend. So let's get to juicing, but before that, kindly remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.